Sexual Reproductive Health and Rights for All program. We have come to Addis Ababa upon request from our partners to strengthen capacity of the partners, but also the young people that they work with on meaningful and inclusive youth participation. This is something that the partners have requested because they want to meaningfully engage young people moving forward in SRH advocacy. So we've come together to strengthen the capacity of these partners and the young people that they work with on meaningful and inclusive youth participation. And at the end of the training, we expect to create action plans that together with the partners we would monitor on how young people are meaningfully engaged in SRH advocacy.
So what has come out from this capacity strengthening for the past 3 days is that young people do see a need for them to participate in the spaces, and also these spaces can be created by themselves or also adults that they are currently working with. And it's so inspiring to see them telling us their stories of how they're meaningfully participating in their respective spaces. So it's quite encouraging to see young people coming and want to be capacitated going forward.
I would like to thank you, Sonke and Amra, for preparing this useful training. Our expectation for this training, what does it mean, meaningful and inclusive youth participation, what the benefits of meaningful and inclusive youth participation, and how can we engage meaningfully.
Get out of our bodies and imagine the other people that we sometimes often don't think about when we're doing programming, so that we can see how we leave people behind and start to think how can we create opportunities for those people that are often left behind to also participate. How do we interact with internally displaced young people, those people that are living in refugee camps, for example? Are there needs being met? Harakad was even saying there are no SRHR services. So how do we then start to motivate for SRHR services to be available to young people that are living in displaced areas?
እዚህ የመጣሁት ምክንያት ለሶስት ቀናት ያለን ስልጠና እሱንም ለመሳተፍ ለመስልጠና የመጣሁትና ራሴ ከዛ ስመጣ ኤክስፔክቴሽን አድርጌ ነበር የመጣሁት ወይም ደግሞ እኔ ካገኘሁት ውጪ ሌላ ጥቅም አገኛለሁ ሌላ እውቀት አገኛለሁ ብዬ ነበር የመጣሁት። እኔ የጠበቅኩትን ሲያገኝ ነበር። ለምሳሌ ስለ MIYP በጣም ነው ያወቅኩት ምን ማለት ነው ሚኒንግፉል ኤንድ ኢንክሉሲቭ ዩዝ ፓርቲሲፔሽን ማለት ምን ማለት እንደሆነ እያንዳንዱን ተሳትፎ በጣም ደስ የሚል ነበር። ጥሩ ነው እና ምናልባት ካሁን በኋላ ለምንኖረንም ቆይታ እኔ ኤክስፔክት ያደረኩትን በትክክል አገኛለሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። ስልጠናው በጣም ደስ የሚል እንደውም ከኔም አልፎ ሌሎችን ከማስተማሪም አልፎ እኔንም ያስተማረኝ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ።
ይሄን ያህል ሴቶች ተሳትፎ ነበር ለማለት ማለት ነው። ሶ ግን ፓርቲሲፔሽናቸው ትክክለኛ ነው ወይ ምናምን የሚለውን ነገር ካለ እነዛ ፐርሰን ዊዝ ዲስአቢሊቲ መጥተው ትክክለኛ የሆነ ፓርቲሲፔሽን አድርገዋል ብለን ስናይ አይሆንም ብዙ ጊዜ ማለት ነው።
How do we ensure young people are not left behind? That is the purpose of the meaningful and inclusive youth participation.
ወጣቶች ትርጉም ያለው እንዲሁም አካታች በሆነ የወጣቶች ተሳትፎ ውስጥ መሳተፋቸው ከፍተኛ የሆነ ጥቅም አለው። አንደኛው ይሄ በተለይ ከወጣቶች የስነ ተዋልዶ ጤና ጋር ተያይዞ ወጣቶች ራሳቸውን ከተለያዩ ችግሮች እንዲታቀቡ ያደርጋቸዋል። ከዛ ባሻገር በትርጉም ያለው ወጣቶች ተሳትፎ ውስጥ ፕላኒንግ ጀምሮ እስከ ዲሲዥን ሜኪንግ ስለሆነ የሚሳተፉት ወጣቶች ራሳቸው ያወጡትን እቅድ ራሳቸው ተግባራዊ ያደርጋሉ፣ ራሳቸው ይገመግማሉ፣ ራሳቸው ወደ ስኬታማ ህይወት የሚሄዱበትን መንገድ ይመራሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ጥቅሙ ራሳቸው ኢንጌጅ የሚያደርጉበት ራሳቸው የሚሳተፉበት ስለሆነ ከፍተኛ አስተዋጽኦ ያበረክታል። በተለይ ከሴክሹዋል ሪፕሮዳክቲቭ ሄልዝ ራይት ጋር ተያይዞ ማለት ነው።